Okay, the final part now. I have cut a little bit off the disposable piping bag, and I have slotted the 2D PME 2D nozzle into the bag. I'll just show you, we've put the hot water into the chocolate buttercream because we are ready for piping, and look, oh, it's just luscious now. It's really soft and velvety. That, I don't know, the hot water just does something to it. So the next thing I am going to show you is how to fill the piping bag, but I think I might need the stand for that. So I'm going to show you a non-messy way with for filling the piping bag, and I'm going to be using the trusted cranked palette tool, the 9cm palette tool. Again, if I go on a desert island, there won't be many things I take with me, but this is a tool that in cake decorating is used for everything. So I'll just set up the piping bag ready to show you how to fill it.